Hey guys, back out here working on the 40. Got the cab off, front end's all off. Next will be the running boards. But I wanted to show you this frame. Now, at some point somebody put a Cadillac motor in this thing. I don't know, it's 472, whatever, back in the day. But look what they did to that center cross member. That wishbone, this cross member is supposed to connect to each corner, just like a big X. But this, and if they were driving like that, it must have been all over the road. Yeah, that's why we're putting it on an S10 frame. This frame is pretty much junk. We already knew that, but I just thought I'd share with you guys and show you how bad some of these old mods can be. And look how they put this rear end in. It's an 8-inch Ford, and then they, I guess the leaf springs are off whatever car they took the rear end out of, but they just welded some plate underneath the frame, and I don't even know what's holding it on up in the front, but it broke loose on this side, and the tires against the frame. Very sketchy. Anyway, pretty soon we'll be putting it on the S10 frame. That'll be the next step once I cut this frame up and get it out of my way. I'll hang on to the axles, but the rest of it's going bye-bye. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.
That one, I'm probably going to grind the head off on top and get the seat out.
Whatever works.